Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we're going to solve Excel cannot complete this task with available resources error. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Excel cannot complete this task with available resources error using 7 fixes. Solution 1. Close background running apps. If too many applications are running in the system's background, it can lead to this error. Closing the unnecessary applications could work for you to tackle this situation. To do this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open the Task Manager. Under Process tab, right tap on the useless apps. Choose End Task. Solution 2. Disable unwanted formatting in your spreadsheet. Due to the unwanted formatting in the spreadsheet, users are getting an Excel cannot complete this task with available resources error. So here it is recommended to delete the unwanted formatting in the Excel file. Follow the steps to do so. Select all by pressing Ctrl plus A. Then on the right hand side, click Clear, and then click on Clear Formats. Solution 3. Open Microsoft Excel in safe mode. The next solution you can try is to open Excel in safe mode. This step will be helpful if the error is being caused due to one of the installed plugins. To do so, open the Run dialog box using Win plus R keys. Type Excel/safe and press Enter. Microsoft Excel will now open in safe mode. Solution 4. Set automatic calculation to manual. MS Excel calculates the formula automatically if any change is made by default. But to increase the performance of Excel, the automatic calculation should be set to manual. To do so, click on File, then click Option, then Formulas. Under Calculation option, select Manual. Click OK. Solution 5. Use Open and Repair tool. The Open and Repair is a built-in MS Excel utility that allows you to repair the corrupted Excel file and solve Excel cannot complete this task with available resources error. To run this tool, you have to ensure to close all the Excel files. Open the Excel application. Go to the file. Then Open. Under the dialog box that opens, click on the Browse to choose an Excel file that is not opening. Once you have selected the file, click on a small drop-down arrow next to an Open button. Click Open and Repair. Then Repair. Solution 6. Update the Excel app to the latest version. Updating the Excel application to the latest version can even help you to fix this error. Open the Microsoft Excel. Click the File tab. Click the Account option. Click Update Options. And click Update Now to check for updates for the Office app and update it to the latest version. Solution 7. Use Excel Repair tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve Excel cannot complete this task error, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing Excel cannot complete this task with available resources error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.